Hi everyone, this is Stephanie. This time I'm gonna share with you how to cook this spicy shrimp with chicken gizzard and chicken livers, and also comes with pate. Let's get started. Prepare 4 shallots, 4 garlic. Chop the shallots and garlic. Red chili and green chili, cut it this way. We only need for about 60 grams. 250 grams of shrimp, 100 grams of chicken gizzard, and 100 grams of chicken liver. This is how to cut the chicken's liver. This is how to cut the chicken's gizzard. Boil the chicken's gizzard and chicken's liver until it's cooked, then drain the water. Chop 1 large tomato. And the galangal. Few bay leaf and some pate. Now with 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil and medium heat flame, add the chilies, garlic, shallots, tomato and galangal, and add 4 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then add the chicken gizzard and chicken's liver. Add the shrimp, bay leaf, keep stirring, and the last one, pate. A little bit soy sauce if needed. Stir for 1 to 2 minutes, then it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.